Who's ready to take your photography and video recording to the next level? Introducing the Liphisy phone tripod with remote, your ultimate companion for capturing perfect shots every time. This is crafted from premium aluminum alloy and stainless steel. This tripod ensures your device stays securely in place for still shots and video recording. It is much sturdier than the one that I had previously. Included in this package is a wireless remote which connects seamlessly to your cell phone. Snapping photos or recording videos has never been easier. Capture every angle with ease thanks to the multi-angle shot capability with maximum height of 64 inches, a 210-degree rotation head, and a 360-degree rotation holder. You can cater to all your photography needs effortlessly. Adjust the height from 17 inches to 64 inches with the easy lock mechanism, giving you the perfect vantage point for all your shots. My previous tripod was so unsteady and will get knocked over all the time, but not this one. This one is versatile and compatible with different phones and cameras. The Liphisy tripod is ideal for both travel and home use. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your photography and video recording experience. Get your Liphisy phone tripod with remote today and start capturing memories like a pro.